Welcome to HWM Aston Martin, and today we've got for you this beautiful intense blue DBS Superleggera Coupe. Registered in March 2019 on a 19 plate, done just a little bit under 10,000 miles from new. This car is available on our website or on the Timeless programme. Just want to take you through a few bits and pieces on the exterior of this car, but also run you through the interior. This car has a really cool colourway, and also it has my favourite wheels for DBS as well. So as I say, finished in intense blue. This particular car has a gloss black upper package on it. So we have the gloss black mirror caps, the roof strake, and also the roof itself. So that gives you a nice contrast between that and the lower body package on this vehicle, which on DBS was in standard in carbon. Moving around the front of the vehicle, and we already probably know over the years, DBS has this super aerodynamic and aggressive front grille on the front, and obviously gives you a great stance and a lot of road presence when you are driving. We also have LED headlamps, and we also have the signature Superleggera badge on the bonnet in chrome. So we have the bright finish badges all around the vehicle. Carrying on round to the other side, as I say, we have my favourite wheels on DBS. So we have these 21-inch satin black with gloss black front Y-spoke wheels. Wasn't around very long on DBS. They were around for maybe sort of a couple of years, and then they disappeared. These are, for me, I think, sort of probably the best looking wheel that we've done on this particular car, outside of the forged wheels that you can have. We also have a black brake caliper, and you've got your DBS fender badge on the bottom here in chrome. And as I say, moving around the back of the vehicle, you will see that with the Aston Martin script on the back in chrome finish as well. Smoke-through lights, and also a fixed rear wing spoiler on the back of DBS. And also you have quite a bit of trunk space in the back of DBS as well. So that if you're looking at going touring or doing something, there is plenty of luggage space in the back of the vehicle. But let's just give you a bit of a wander around, get a feel for the car, and then we'll take you through on the interior. So welcome to the interior of the car. So we have this gorgeous dark night leather throughout the whole vehicle with a black carpet. And the seat, as you can see, we have the quilting on the side. All the stitching on the interior is matched to leather. So we have a dark night finish with a dark night stitch. So we have the geode quilting on the seat. The seat centres, we have matched to seat centre leather headlining, and that includes your tram rails and also the bit across the front as well. And then the full centre of the roofline here is in leather as well. We have a dark chrome jewellery pack, which is your steering wheel ring, buttons and pedals, and all the other bits and pieces that are inside the vehicle, like your door handles and your speaker grills. We have a premium audio system, and then your standard DBS items like your heated seats, 360 surround cameras, and climate control. The car also has this, what I really like. We have the satin chopped carbon fibre on the doors and also on the centre infill on the dash. And we also have electric steering column with cruise control as well. If you want further details on this vehicle, do give us a call here at the showroom, or you can visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.